Have your legs ever felt shaky when standing up? Or like your body's moving slower than your mind? That's not just age. It's a signal that your brain and muscles aren't communicating the way they used to. Starting in your 40s or 50s, the messages from your brain to your muscles can weaken. This doesn't mean your muscles are gone. It means they're not getting the memo. Think of it like a walkie-talkie with low battery. The muscle is ready, but the signal is faint. But here's the good news. You can turn the signal back on. New research shows that nutrients like leucine and choline, found in foods like eggs, whey protein, and leafy greens, can restore that brain-muscle connection in as little as 12 hours. Here's how to start. Within 30 minutes of waking, eat 2 whole eggs for choline. Add a whey protein shake to trigger muscle repair. Include leafy greens or beets for better blood flow. Finish with a 10-minute walk to activate the system. This combo boosts nerve signals, fights inflammation, and improves circulation, all before lunch. Thousands of seniors report feeling steadier, stronger, and more in control within just a few days. You don't need extreme workouts or expensive supplements, just the right food at the right time and a little movement. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe for more content.